Hello kids, how are you doing? So I know that you worked hard on this science worksheet and now we're going together to solve it to make sure that all of your answers were correct. So this is our science worksheet number 6 solution. And this time we are answering questions about the skeleton system. What are the body structures that make up our skeleton? Our skeleton is made of 206 bones. What are the functions of our skeleton? The skeleton supports the body and gives us our shape. What are the soft organs protected by different bones? We talked about the rib cage that protects the heart and lungs. We also talked about the skull. The skull protects your brain. Your spine protects your spinal cord. What is the longest bone in the body and which one is the smallest one? The longest one is the femur, found in your thigh, in your leg. And the smallest one is the stapes. The stapes is found in your ear. What are bones made of? Bones are composed or contain calcium, and for this reason, bones are hard. So question number 1, this is a question found in the book. Give the names of. What are the soft parts in your body that are protected by the ribs, by the rib cage? The rib cage is found in your chest, and in your chest we have important organs. We have the heart located between two lungs. So the rib cage protects our heart and lungs. So the heart and the lungs are protected by the rib cage. What do we call the bone that protects the brain? The bone in our head. What do we call it? It's the skull, that's right. The skull protects our brain. The soft organ protected by these face bones. So as you can see, this is a part of the skull. These face bones protect soft, very important soft organs, which are the eyes. Second question now. It's also a question found in the book on page 87. Long bones, short bones, or flat bones. So our skeleton is made of 206 bones. These bones have different shapes and different sizes. Some bones are long bones, some others are short, and we have also flat bones. Let's take a look on the first figure. The first figure shows or represents the carpals, which are small bones found in your hands. What do you think? Are carpal long bones, short bones, or flat bones? So, carpals are short bones. They are small in size. So, carpals are short bones. What about the pelvis? Let me talk about the pelvis and the skull together, since they are both made of the same type of bones. These bones aren't long or short, but they are flat. So the pelvis and the skull are flat bones. The scapula found in your shoulders also is a flat bone. What about the fibula and the tibia? What do you think? Are fibula and tibia short bones, long bones, or flat bones? So these bones are found in your legs. The fibula and the tibia, as we can see in the figure, are long bones. So again, the tibia, the fibula, the femur are flat bones. Are long bones. The femur, the tibia, the fibula are long bones. The carpals, the phalanges, the tarsals are short bones. The pelvis and the skull are flat bones. The femur is the longest bone in your body. Indicate where it is located. The femur is the longest and the strongest bone in your body. It's a long bone. So, where is this bone located? It is located in the thigh, in the leg. Third question now. So, indicate the body system that the body parts shown in figures A, B, and C belong to. Figure A shows the spine, made of 26 vertebrae. It's the vertebral column. Figure B shows the rib cage, and figure C shows or represents the bones. These three parts are made of bones, so they belong to the skeletal system or skeleton. They are all made of bones. Indicate if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false ones. Figure A shows the spine. What do you think? Is this the spine? Yes, it is, and it is called also the backbone or the vertebral column. The spine is also called the backbone or the vertebral column. And yes, this is true. Figure A shows the spine. The spine protects the brain. Is the spine found in your head? Is the spine the bone responsible of protecting the brain? No, that's right. So this is false. What bone protects the brain? The skull protects the brain and not the spine. What does the spine protect? The spine protects our spinal cord. So this is wrong, since the skull is the bone that protects the brain, and spine is responsible of protecting the spinal cord. Figure B shows the rib cage that protects the heart. This is true. The rib cage is made of ribs, and the function of the rib cage is to protect the heart and the lungs. Figure C represents the smallest bone in the body. Figure C is the pelvis. Is the pelvis the smallest bone in the body? No, it's not. So this is wrong. This is false. The stapes found in the ear is the smallest bone in the body. And that's it, we're done. This was the last question. If you still have anything that you didn't understand or any questions related to our lesson or to this worksheet, please send me private messages and I will be happy to answer all of your questions. See you. Bye bye.